Okay, so let's do an example with beats. So let's say we have 3 strings here. And this string A, string B, string C, okay, they're not the notes A, B, or C. Okay, so string A, if you pluck it, okay, then it has a frequency of 320 hertz. Okay, and if you pluck string B, it has a frequency of 330 hertz. So if you, and we don't know what C is. Okay, so if you do A plus C, then what you get is 8 hertz beat. Okay, if you do B plus C, you get a 2 hertz beat. So that means I want to know what is C. Okay. So A plus C. Now A is 320 hertz. What has a 8 hertz beat with 320 hertz? Well, that's 8 hertz above. So 328 hertz or 8 hertz below. So that would be 312 hertz. Both of those would work. What is 2 hertz beats different between C? Now, C is 330 hertz, so that means it could be 2 hertz above, so 332 hertz, or 2 hertz below, 328 hertz. So the question is, what is C? 328 hertz. Okay. And that's all there is to beats. Okay. So beats are really easy.